Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating this flocked tree. It's got very sparse branches. It really reminds me of a Scandinavian Nordic style of Christmas tree, which I really love. So I'm going to try to stay true to this style. But if you guys know me, I gotta have a little bit of sparkle, so we're going to glam it up just a little bit while keeping it simple and minimal, which is what I really love about Scandinavian aesthetic and lifestyle.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Such pleasure do.
Instead of a tree skirt, I like using tree collars. I've been using this one for the past few years, but I'm not really into the galvanized finish anymore, so I'm going to be applying some imitation copper leaf to give it a new look. Now I'm going to start adding my plastic metallic ornaments, and I'm going to be using these to kind of fill the tree and place them closer to the trunk of the tree. And then I'll go in with my nicer ornaments, some of the ones we handmade on my last video, as well as some glass ornaments, and we're going to be placing those on the outer layers of the tree. We're not going to be using any wired ribbon in this tree, but I do want to add a few just simple old-fashioned bows, just to add a little bit of a nostalgic touch.
Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Thy leaves are so
I really enjoyed decorating this tree. It was fun to go out of my comfort zone this year and try something new. Let me know if you like my take on a Scandinavian Nordic style tree. I hope you're having a great holiday season, and I'll see you guys on my next video.